Okay. So let me introduce myself first. Okay. I'm Sirisha, having 7+ years of experience.
Okay, hi. I'm Usha.
Uh,
So, am I the only one who joined?
yes, yes, maybe so you are the only, but yesterday joined already. So they said maybe they will not join today. They will start from the Monday onwards. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Usually, how many members will be there in one session or one training program?
Usually 10 to 15 people.
Got it.
Yeah. Okay. Some people in the middle they will not get because of the meetings or but they'll get the recordings and they will start it. Okay.
Got it.
Yeah. One second, I will just charge my laptop. Before starting the class, you have any exposure on Power BI before that? You know any concepts or any basics of Power BI?
I do actually. So, I joined one a live session by Jaisha or something.
Okay.
It was for 2 hours or something. That is the only thing that I know about Power BI. Not much.
Uh, okay, okay. No problem, no problem. This is completely 45 days of the course. We are going to discuss all the concepts. Okay. So
Yeah.
let me introduce first. I am Shirisa, having 7 years of experience in Power BI only. Okay. As a Power BI developer role. Okay, currently I'm working as a one of the BI lead, okay, in the product based company. Okay, I have the team over there. So I'm leading the team, okay, to develop the reports and dashboards to the clients. Okay. Next part I want to tell you, introduce about the Power BI. Okay. So
Mhm.
Power BI majorly, it was introduced by Microsoft company. Okay.
Okay.
That's why we will to call it as a Microsoft Power BI also.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. Microsoft, it was introduced by my, sorry, Microsoft company. Yeah. So that's why we will call it as a Microsoft Power BI also. Sometimes people want Microsoft, people used to say Microsoft Power BI, or people used to say Power BI only. Okay. And in the year of 2013 it came into the market. Okay. So and after that it became very high trend in the market. Why, I'll tell you. Because in market we have different reporting tools. Okay. Power BI is a reporting and visualization tool which helps like to create the reports and dashboards to the business. Okay, the main agenda for this. Okay. It's not like a reporting and visualization mainly for the data analysis purposes. The business want to take the decisions quickly, means they require the reports and dashboards. Okay. So that's why visual representation is very important in these days, because people won't wait for the times, right, to read a paper kind of the report or something. Okay. Visually they want to view and take the decisions. Okay. So that's why Power BI has a very high features compared to the all other reporting tools like Tableau, MicroStrategy. Different companies have different reporting tools, but Power BI became most and most powerful because it has lot of features connecting to different data sources like Excel databases. Already you know about the sessions, right? So definitely you know that by using get data we can connect to multiple data sources. Correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So let me introduce the definition of Power BI. Okay. So Power BI, it is a reporting and business intelligence tool. BI stands for business intelligence. Okay. Business intelligence tool which helps to connect multiple data sources. Okay. To connect to multiple data sources. Data source is nothing but you know, right, Excel is a one of the data source. Databases, companies will use different data sources. Okay. And based on the data, and based on the data we can create different reports. Okay, we can create different reports. So based upon the reports, the business will take the decisions. Okay, so the features comes to here in the Power BI desktop file. See, for example, you want to the download option. For example, this is the Power BI desktop. Okay, there are three components in Power BI mostly. There are three main components we have. One is Power BI desktop. Second one is Power BI service. And the third one is Power BI mobile apps. Okay, we have these three. Now I'll tell you Power BI desktop is a development area, means it is a free application. It is a free software or free application, you can say. Okay, free application, any user whoever having the laptop, they can download easily and start the building. Okay, so to download the Power BI desktop file, I'll tell you how to download the Power BI desktop file in the upcoming classes. Okay, now Power BI service. Power BI is not a free software, it is a paid version. Okay, so it is a paid version. We have different kind of licenses over there. Power BI Pro, Power BI Premium, Power BI Premium per user. Okay, so what type of licenses we need it? Okay, we'll discuss it later. Okay, and the mobile apps is where we can see the data in a mobile view format.
Got it.
Mobile, yeah. Okay, so these are the three main components. Okay, so but initially as a developer we should most focus on the Power BI desktop. Okay, so after downloading the Power BI desktop file, it will look like this. Okay, so this is the tool where one graph will be there. After opening the file for the first time, it will look like this. Okay, so first of all, when you see this tool, right, you will not understand, maybe it's like a, what it is means. It is a tool, right? So you should understand the first the main components. Okay, in the middle area, this white pan is okay, it is called as a development area. Okay, where we can build our visuals. Okay, and if you see in the downside, we have page 1, page 2, page 3. Okay, same like if it match with the excel sheet 1, sheet 2, right? Here we have page
Yeah.
1, page 2. So page 1 is completely like a, we can create one page for sales report, another report for customer report, another page for growth report. Okay, like this we can create multiple reports. Okay, and we can make it is one home button. Okay, to all the pages link to one page only. Okay, so users can go through from one page only, they can navigate easily. That navigation, how we can create it, we can go through the upcoming classes. Okay, so
Yeah.
next thing, we have the four main views over here. First is report view, and the second is table view, and the third one is data model view, and the fourth one is DAX query. In Power BI, we require the DAX query view. Okay, we need to learn one query language, that is DAX. DAX is nothing but a data analysis expression. We'll discuss it later. Okay, these are the four main views we have. Okay, so for example, by using this get data option, right, first the heart of the Power BI desktop file is getting the data. Okay, how we
Okay.
can get the data, because with the data only we can create the visualizations, correct? So visualizations is nothing but a, in school days, hope you remember, we have different visuals, like it is like a table
Yeah.
visual, pie chart, bar charts. Okay, so the visual representation we are showing here, the data once loaded, how we can create these visualizations. Without data, for example, if you click on the pie chart or some visual, it will look blank. Okay, you should until unless load the data. For example, I have loaded two tables over here. Okay, so customer
Okay.
table and financial table. Okay, for example, I want to see product wise the sales. See, this will give you more information, right? Okay, for example, the difference between table format. Okay, if you go to the financial data, my product wise, how much the data you want to calculate means something you have to go through all the data, and then you have to fetch one by one and need to do some, means it will take more time. But with the visualization, right, automatically it will detect that okay, we have the how many products here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 products, and in that what is the product highest sales, means this blue color is high, right, more high. Okay, just
Yeah.
visualizing without any knowledge also, by using human knowledge the business can understand easily, correct? So this is
Yeah.
27.8 percentage, this is the highest sales. compared to with that, next is what? Okay, next is this one, productivity, product velo. Okay, so like this you will get. That's why most trending is visualizing the data. Okay, these days. So that's why the importance of visualizations means will give you the more insights of the data, means the value of the data. Okay, by using this data we can showing something information to the users. Okay, so that will help to the business to take the better decisions. For example, we have Flipkart, Amazon, right? E-commerce websites. Each month they will do some sales, but they want to take a one report. Okay, which products are highly sold, okay, in this month, or which are not sold, so they will give some discount on those products. How they will analyze those? First they have to identify, right, what are the top 10 lowest products, top highest two products. So those kind of thing we can keep it in one report. Automatically when data will come every month, automatically it will show. Okay, one month one product is high, one month, because in summer, for example, summer is like maybe some products are high in demand. Okay, but in winter, sweaters, okay, some lotions, okay, those kind of things are high products, right, selling. And if you go to the rain season, raincoats or some other products. Okay, so that's why, based upon the data refresh on each month, automatically this report will schedule the report data. Every month it will update and go to the users. One time we can design and give it to the users. Okay, so that's why this visualization is very very more trendy. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this entire course, we are going to the course content. I will tell you. If you have, no problem. If you don't have, I will provide you.
I think they messaged it. I'm not sure. I did not
They,
check yet.
yeah, you check it. Okay. I'll change that. So now if you go to the complete syllabus of this is overall 45 days of the course, Monday to Friday only, Saturday, Sunday week off. Okay. Introduction part. First, how we can download the Power BI desktop file and how we can connect it to Power BI desktop file. And the second step is connecting to different data sources like Excel file, SQL Server DB, SSAS. Okay, how we can connect it to multiple data sources. Okay, we can discuss all the concepts here, source connections. Okay, after that,
Yeah.
how we can work on the transformations means, after connecting to the raw data we need to do some transformations like changing the data type, right, combining multiple data tables. For example, one table is coming from SQL Server DB, another table is coming from Excel, but how we have
Mm.
to map those tables. Okay, next, enter data, format dates, joins, pivot table, reorder and removing the columns, renaming the tables, split columns, unpivot columns. Okay, so these are like this, we have many, we are going to discuss those transformations. Next is visualizations. Each visualization we are going to discuss. See, just visual is okay, but the main important thing is, in the business, which right visual we need to use it. Okay, so when to use which visual is very important. Based upon the data, as a BA developer we have to analyze it. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah. So we have different kind of visualizations: area chart, bar chart, card visual, column chart, donut chart, pie chart, line chart, table, matrix, ribbon chart, scatter chart, map, tree map, waterfall chart. Okay, we have these many transformations over there. Okay, next is filters. We have the different kind of filters: slices, basic filters, advanced filters, top end filters, filters on measures. Okay, so we have different kind of filters. Next is Power BI calculated fields. Okay, we have calculated column, calculated measure, calculated tables, calculate conditional columns. Okay, so we have the four types of the visuals. Or sorry, calculated fields over there. Next is dashboards. After this we can do with the DAX query. Okay, so that at downside we will learn the DAX functions also. So it's like some language. Okay, don't worry about like we need to write a biggest scripts or something. No, it's a predefined functions, but you have to analyze wise as a when to use which functions. Okay, next
Yeah.
is sharing the work, means after done the work, how we will share our report or dashboards to the users. Okay, So
Yeah.
next is how to delete, how to do pinning operations. Okay, so everything we can design over here. Next is subscription, how to subscribe a report, subscribe the dashboards. Okay, we can learn from here. Okay, so these are the main things we are going to learn in the overall 45 days of the course. Okay, after this, in each session I will give you the interview questions on the each day topic what we cover. Okay, mostly what we are going to
Yeah.
discuss, those interview questions will help you. Okay, and
Yeah.
every week whatever we completed the concepts, based on that I will give you one assignment. You should practice it. Okay, so that is the
Yeah.
one thing. After the class I will provide you one real time project also. You need to work on that product. Okay.
Okay. So the task is on the weekends or
Ha,
every day?
weekends. A task is
Got it.
every
And the project?
weekends. Project is after class. After 30 days I will start to give that, so you need
Okay.
to start at least. Okay.
Got it.
Mm. Yeah, this is the work we are going to learn. Okay.
Got it. And the week off is on?
Saturday Sunday week off.
Got it.
Yeah, 5 days only, Monday to Friday. Okay.
Understood. Yeah.
Yeah, this is the last demo. Already we have given two. Okay. From tomorrow I'm on leave. Okay. I'm going to family function. Okay. Tomorrow maybe I will not available. So I'm updating you. From Monday onwards, the paid link will change it. Okay. Whoever the paid amount, each day you will get the recording class. Okay. So once we
Got it.
complete the course, so
So
is
the course is for 2 months, right? By any chance,
what?
if I'm unable to join for a week, I mean 45 days, uh,
Hmm.
and yeah, if by any
That
chance if I have
recording
to drop in
sessions you will
between,
get it. Yeah, that's what.
okay. If
Uh,
I want to
dr-
resume the classes directly with you,
you can.
you can. And what about the missed classes? So I have to go with the videos and then join.
Yes, you can go through the video. If you not understand, personally connect with me. Okay. If you some concept you did not understand. Okay.
Got it. So there's
Mhm.
one thing I heard that so if I drop in a month and I if I can't join for few months, can I join back directly within few months or something like that? Is there any option?
Yeah. Any, I think
Any
only by
validity?
Mm, I validity things I'm not aware because the team only will check, okay? Because they will
Okay.
only share the recording videos to you, okay? But complete this course is recording sessions will with you only, okay? The expiry I think six
Okay, I
months,
have
the validity recording videos, okay?
okay. Then after that I won't have access.
After that, no, I think expiry date will be there. Some, if you want, you can ask them.
Okay.
They will share it to again, okay? That's not a
Okay.
issue, okay? Mm.
Yes.
So Monday onwards, the paid link. Once you done the payment, you will get the paid link. That is the only link daily you can join the classes. Okay.
Sure. Sure.
Yeah. Any doubts, Ushishri?
Nothing much. So currently I'm into support role with Amazon actually. So I'm trying
Mm-hmm.
to shift internally or whatever the way possible. So this is the
Mm.
first thing I thought. So I tried for DevOps before, but too many domains and I didn't get the chance and it didn't get the time actually to prepare and complete
Eh,
the course fully. So I Power BI, my friend tried, so he got into it. So I wanted to try as well because I'm too very bad with the coding and all. So I wanted to try,
That's
which
what.
is not that. So yeah,
Very good decision actually. Yeah, Power BI is a not like much coding level. If you learn the concepts, but without practice, it won't help you,
of course.
Ushishri. That's what I'm telling you. Anybody, you should practice. Okay, recreating some reports and all hands on. Okay, so then it will
Yeah,
help
yeah.
you. Okay. Yeah.
Sure, sure.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
That's all I had. Yeah, thank you, thank you.
Yeah. Let's see you on Monday. Okay. Bye bye.
Yeah, see you. Have a great weekend. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.